He said he f***ed you.
I don't know why he would say that. Go ahead and get up. Get in there.
I will f*** you up. I can't listen to you, boy.
It's just after 7 at night in Lee County, New Mexico, where we join police who are caught up in a sticky situation.
Yeah.
All right, so we got a call for a 47. It was a black SUV with that license plate number. So the vehicle was parked right here. Okay, so I parked down there by the Key Energy to try to see the vehicle pull out so I can get observation of the vehicle because we had a caller that didn't want contact. So at that time, somebody said that it may be a conflict for us. And then at that time, my mod pulled up next to her. She took off driving, went southbound, and then kind of hit the curb real hard, almost hitting that fence. And then a mod blocked her in, and then that's when I pulled up next to her. First thing I could smell is the strong odor of alcohol emitting from her inside the vehicle. Told her, because last time we got an internal altercation with her, she refused to get out of the car for like 30 minutes. I told her, dude, there's being people there, you need to get out of the car. She's like, I'm not getting out. So at that time I pulled her out. She kind of tussled, fought with us a little bit, and she was placed in the handcuffs. There was an infant inside the car the time all this happened. Grandma has the child now. Officer Olenek is running the grandma through Sky to make sure that the child can get released to grandma. Okay. So she's in cuffs right now. Obviously it's a conflict for us because it's Sergeant White's girlfriend, wife, I don't know. Significant other, I don't know. I don't know what you would call her.
Okay.
You got it.
You heard that right. Police said a sergeant's better or not so better half found herself in some hot water. The woman apparently drove drunk with a baby in the back seat. And there's more.
I don't know if you saw, but she was scratching me. Did you see that? I saw your thing. So she started digging her nails in me. Intentional? Yeah. Okay, take some pictures of that.
Okay, then you can't leave yet. Anybody else get injured besides you?
While deputies survey their injuries, let's head over to the patrol car and meet our suspect.
Come on, Des. Come into the campus office.
Yeah, we're gonna. Do you want to see if she'll do SFSD? Yeah, I was gonna talk to her. I'm still talking to her. If you guys want to go that way, I'm sorry. Thank you, guys. Hey, Desiree. So obviously we know you were driving, right? And I can clearly smell that you were drinking. I don't know your whole situation. I don't know what's going on, but I just wanted to ask you, do you want to submit to some tests to see if you're fit to drive? What was that? No? Okay. Okay, that's fine.
What's your name?
It's Sanchez.
Elisa?
What is it?
Elisa.
No. That's a different officer. Yeah. Why? Do you want that officer?
No.
Is there something with that officer?
As our suspect works to get her affairs in order, let's fast forward as officers take her out of the patrol car.
Here, let's step out. Careful.
The other car. Black one. Yeah.
Ready? Do what? Yeah, you have to step out now, okay? Because I can't reach. We'll step out right here and we'll swap them out. Ready?
You need help?
Watch your step.
Watch your step on that foot. Be careful.
Turn around.
Police identified the woman as 30-year-old Desiree Ortega, who they said was drunk and behind the wheel of her law enforcement lover's car. Let's see what happens next.
Desiree told me he's subordinate. Ready? You.
Go ahead.
Okay, no.
Go ahead
Dog
and get
told
up.
me.
I don't know why he would say that. Go ahead and get
He
up.
said he f***ed you.
I don't know why he would
As
say that. Go ahead and get up.
Okay, let's go.
Go ahead and get up.
No. Get up. Don't. Hey,
Go ahead and get up.
Get up. No. Ahmad
Go
said
ahead
he
and get up. Go
You're
ahead and get up.
He told me. Right now.
Go ahead and get up.
No, Jasmine.
Go ahead and get up.
Get up. Get up or you're going to go.
Get up.
You're going to catch more charges. Get up.
No.
Get up.
Get up.
Get on what? Get on.
Get in there.
Watch your step. Just watch your step.
Get in there.
I'm asking you to get in there, please. All right. All right. It's just
Get up.
Me as my in case against y'all.
Ready?
He told me,
Okay, get up.
Jasmine.
Okay, get up.
No, he told me.
Get up. Get in there.
He told. I will. You do not. Get in there.
That's enough.
Stop.
That's enough. Now knock it off. I'm not going to tell you again. You're going to knock it off. You're not going to come out here and kick one of my deputies.
Thank you.
Are you going to stop?
You.
Are you going to stop?
Thank you for the evidence.
Are you going to stop? Now stop. Get up.
No, thank you.
Sit up.
Thank you for
Sit
the
up or you...
evidence. No, thank you for the evidence. No, don't you touch
Get
me.
up. Get up.
Well, that escalated quickly. Looks like our suspect is, let's just say, familiar with our deputies. Let's meet the man she's been referring to.
Hey, so it's your vehicle, right?
Yep.
Okay, do you mind if I look in it?
You do anything you need
I
to do.
just wanted to get your consent
No,
before
free
I did.
range. Have at it.
And if I take, like, the container or
Do
something, that's
whatever
fine.
you need to do. You have my full permission. Get after it.
Okay.
Please do whatever you got to do.
Okay. Should I still have him sign a consent form?
Did you catch that? Let's rewind. It didn't take long for this deputy to discover a bag full of booze in the front seat of the car. Let's continue.
I'm good.
What'd she say was implied consent? She refused.
She refused.
Well, the implied consent, she said yes, and then she started saying some stuff to me, so I don't know if it would be wise or what. I mean, we can still try,
You could still ask her.
if you don't mind backing me.
Yeah,
'cause-
absolutely. But if she refuses, we'll go straight to us.
Okay. First she said yes, so black cherry.
With that empty container in hand, the deputies discuss asking Desiree to take a breathalyzer test. Let's fast forward again and see how this conversation goes.
So, since you said no, I have to tell you I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license or non-residential operating privilege for 1 year. If you are convicted in court of driving while under the influence, you may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to take the test. Do you understand?
What happens after, like, I show the video of you with the mod?
So, do you understand?
Do you have?
Do you understand?
I have the video of you with a mod.
Okay, number
White.
4. So, because you basically don't understand, I have to read it again.
right,
I cannot
so
force you
all
to
right.
take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's
obviously
license
forced
or non-residential operating privilege for 1 year. If you are convicted in court of driving while under the influence, you may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to take the test. Do you understand?
Now look, Desiree, we're trying to get a test going. No, listen, okay? You're gonna get read this one more time. It doesn't matter. None of that matters right now. It doesn't matter. No.
It really does.
Listen, this is what matters. So you need to listen.
Victor.
Which one did you read from?
Number 4.
Okay.
As if no.
I cannot force you to take our test. But if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license or non-residential operating privileges for 1 year. If you are convicted in a court of driving while under the influence, you may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to be tested. Do you understand?
Victor.
Do you understand, Desiree?
Victor, you know me.
Well, at the end of the day, I know a lot of people, okay? You have to listen. You can't be disrespecting her, okay?
Well, she got.
It doesn't matter. Look, it doesn't matter. Now, do you understand?
It does matter.
I'm going to read you a second time, and then that's it. You got read 4 times. I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license or non-residential operating privileges for 1 year. You are convicted in a court of driving while under the influence. You will also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to be tested. Do you understand? Do you understand, Desiree? You do understand. At this time, do you wish to take our test? Desiree, do you wish to take the test or not? Desiree, do you wish to take the test or not?
Stop.
Well, we have a job to do. You've already been read twice. I'm going to ask you one more time. Do you want to take the test or not? Okay, we're going to take that as a refusal then. So you want to take the test? Say yes if you want to take the test. Okay, open your mouth so we can see it and make sure nothing's in it. No, face me. I can't see in there. Pick your tongue up, all the way up. Put your jaw down and pick your tongue up. One more time. Desiree, one more time. I gotta make sure there's nothing in your mouth. Okay.
So, do you mind running her through the test then? Because apparently she doesn't like me and she likes you.
That's
so
fine.
in order to get it done, thank you.
Back at the station, our drunken suspect keeps up with her indecisions.
Are you gonna take the test or not so we can get you over to the jail? You're not gonna take the test?
I want to go home.
So you're refusing to take the test?
Should take me home, please.
We can't take you home. No, we can't.
Please.
So listen up. This is going to be the last time I tell you. You've already been read implied consent 5 times. Are you going to take the test or not? If you say anything other than a yes or a no, that's your answer is no. If you say yes, then we'll get you in here. We'll take the test. Those are your options.
Yes.
All right, let's
We'll
get
start
up
inside.
so we can go and take the test.
It's just right inside.
Well, looks like Desiree is not too happy coming face to face with this deputy again. Let's keep going.
Not you.
No, we're going.
It's a
Now go.
conflict of interest.
She's not doing anything.
I'm not doing anything.
So we're going in
It's
here
a
to take the test.
conflict.
So first of all, look, we're not going to argue. We can put you back in the unit and take you right to jail.
So
Okay.
we're the ones. She's just getting the door for us. She's just getting the door for us. We're just going there. We're gonna do the test.
He's doing everything.
He's doing
It's
the
a
test.
conflict.
So I'm going to run the test, Desiree. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go.
He's running it. I'm gonna be the
She's holding the door for us.
Go ahead.
It's a conflict.
She's holding the door.
Telling you it's a conflict.
He doesn't
I'm
have
not
to
going to be
hold
in
the
there.
door.
He's just holding the door for us so we can go inside.
I can't do both. I can't.
Once inside, our suspect completes a breathalyzer test, but not without making a few final pleas with the officer.
I want to go home, just sleep, and not do anything else. Please. Please, Victor, let me go home.
We can't.
Please. I want to go home and sleep. That's it. Please. I can't lose my kids. Victor.
Well, right now we have to get this test done before anything else can happen.
Oh no, if I lose this test, I will
So
not have my kids.
right now the machine needs you to blow until the tone stops.
I'm telling you, if I
So,
don't pass this time,
You said you were going to take the test. Right now we're here. Now it's time to take the test,
I'm
okay?
telling you, if I
Desiree.
fail, I will not have my
Okay,
kids.
if the machine tones out, we're going to take it as a refusal and we're just going to take you right over to the jail. A big blow.
Kids.
Breathe in real big. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right. All right, give it a second. It's going to ask for a second sample.
I cannot lose my kids.
Okay, we got one more
can't.
test.
So, my ex-husband is on cocaine and everything. I cannot lose my kids. Not to him.
Desiree recorded a blood alcohol level of 0.36. That's over 4 times the legal limit. Now headed for jail, our suspect shares some parting words for her favorite deputy.
I will tell every fucking buddy how he.
I don't have a...
Fuck her.
Okay, and that's our business, so stop.
No, I'm not gonna stop. No, I will have a whole case. No.
You're about to catch another
No.
charge.
So we're going to put you in there if you don't go in there. Desiree, you need to listen.
Victor, take
It
me
does,
home.
no, can't do that. So listen. You're going to listen now, Desiree. Let's go. Let's
Now,
go.
unless I blow ass, I can't listen to you. Wait.
Put your legs in, Desiree. Desiree, I'm going to go around and put you in.
Desiree, just get in there.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Just get in there.
Nobody's
They're
talking
trying
to
to
you.
transport you.
Shut the fuck up.
Just get in.
Ow! Victor!
Get it.
That's not me. That's Boudreaux.
While she's en route there, let's head back to the scene where we hear the other side of this story from Sergeant White himself.
Okay, you're good to take the vehicle. I gave Maddox the keys. He's going to give them to you. You're good. So what happened from your view? Because I heard you were out here with
I
her.
have no clue. I was coming this way. I was tracking her phone because she was supposed to go get her son from football practice.
Okay.
I was already at home. I picked up my kid from Houston. I'm tracking her, and I'm like, where are you at? She said she was on Joe Harvey. I was like, well, you need to get over there and get your son. So she wasn't responding. I'm like, this is kind of weird. Like, she was on the phone, but she wasn't saying anything. And so I asked her, have you been drinking? She didn't say nothing. I was like, okay. Tracking the phone. I hear a call come out, and they described my car. I don't know my 28, but I know my car, if you describe it to me. I'm driving down this way. I see Solomon parked down there, and I'm like, why ain't he doing nothing? Because she was right here where my car is. Look, she was like this. She was at this angle, facing that way, right where the car was resting. She was right here. So I swing around, and I pull up next to her, and I said, hey, man, turn the car off. Because I didn't know if she had the baby or not. My focus was to get the car stopped to get the baby out. If you drive off and you crash, that's on you. But Solomon saw it. She started rolling forward, and I said, stop her. She was rolling, just like, not accelerating, but, you know, if you got your car and drive and you just come off the brake, you'll start rolling.
So she
literally rolled from here to right there. I ran up, I snatched the door open, I put the car in park, I turned it off. I didn't see the key fob, but I have my spare. I keep my spare in my unit. Watch your road. Yeah, watch your back, bro. I put it in park, I turned the car off. I didn't say a word to her. I ran around the other side because I could see baby's feet. So I'm trying to think before she gets the conscious effort to try to put this car back in drive or turn it on. I run around, I grab the baby. And then I ran right up to her mom and I was like, take the baby. Olenek rolls up, he was like, Sarge, we got it. I said, please deal with that. And I backed up. That's
was
exactly
the
what
baby
happened.
strapped in and
Yeah,
everything?
she was
I need you to come out here for me.
Stop.
I need you to come out here.
Don't listen to me. Don't.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you one more time. How are you gonna get out?
I need to go home.
You're not gonna go home right now.
I have to.
All right.
Please, I have to go home.
Okay, you got your seatbelt on or is it off? Come on.
It's off.
Okay,
But listen.
you can talk to me
I
here.
have to go home.
Okay, well, let's talk in
I
here.
can't do this.
Come on, Miss Ortega. Here, go ahead and take
No,
your seatbelt
I
off.
can't.
It's easier if you follow the instruction and come out.
I'm just telling you, I can't.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you one more time.
Why can't you? Are you intoxicated at this time? No? Okay, we'll help you. Come on. Scoot
The
this way.
officers are willing to help you, so I suggest
The
you go that way.
officers?
Time I'm
Get
asking
off.
you, are you gonna get off? No? I need
No,
you to get
hey! Ow!
Come on.
Ow!
Stand up. Come on.
Desiree was booked and charged with aggravated DUI, abuse of a child, 2 counts of battery on a police officer, 3 counts of resisting arrest, reckless driving, and an open container charge to top it all off.
Check the back seat. Check the back seat. Yeah, that thing's scary.
Don't even try to resist.
I'm not trying to resist.
I'm telling you right now.
And as for that baby,
Can I see that little one?
Yes, ma'am. Do you want me to take her out?
No, it's okay. Just so I can lay eyes on her. Thank you. You don't have to take her out. I just wanna. So she was in the car seat and she's good.
safe and sound with Grandma.
Oh hi, she is a cutie.
Oh my gosh, my heart is breaking.
Is that your daughter?
Yes.
She okay? Do you know? I mean,
Depressed and drinking to drown out whatever, you know. I don't know what to do, you know.
yeah.
You don't need me to take her out?
No, it's okay. You're actually you're good to go.
I can leave now?
Yes.
Who leaves our deputy with one last piece of advice.
Okay.
Okay. Don't be drinking that.
No. I know. But you're good to go. Thank you.